Like terms are the terms with exact same variables that have exact same exponents. For example, 5x and 3x, these two terms are like terms because they have same variables and their exponents are same. Both the terms have exponents 1 1 and both the terms have variables x x. These two terms 2xy and 5xy are like terms because both have variables xy xy and the exponents of both the variables are 1 1. Similarly, the terms 10x square 4x square are like terms because the variables of because both the variables are same x x and the exponents of both the variables are exact same. Similarly, the term 2x square z and 3zx square are like terms because we know that in multiplication 2 multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied by 2 are same. So x square z or z x square are same. So we can say that the two terms are like terms because the variables are same x z and xz and their exponents are same. X have exponent 2 in this term, x also have exponent 2, z have exponent 1, z have exponent 1. So these two terms are same. These terms are not like terms because 2x and 3y, the variables are different. Here variable is x, here a variable is y. Here these two terms are again not like terms because its exponent is 2. Although variables are same but exponents are different. Its exponent is 2, its exponent is 1. Here again the terms are not like terms. Here the variables are xy but here the variables are xz. Since the variables are not same, so the terms are not like terms. Here we have some algebraic expressions. In first algebraic expression, the terms 2x and 3x are like terms because they have exact same variables and same powers, but the term 5y is not like terms related to the terms 2x and 3x. In the next expression, the terms 2xy and the term 5xy are like terms because they have same variables and exact exponents, but the term 8x square y is not a like term. Similarly, in the next expression, the term x 2x and 3x are like terms because they have exact same variable and same exponent, but the terms are y and z are unlike terms as compared to the like terms. Now we will learn how to add or subtract like terms. Here we have two like terms 5x and 2x because they have same variable and same exponents. Here the terms contains a number part and a variable part. That is, term 5x contain number 5 and variable x. Similarly, the next term contains number part, that is have number 2 and the variable x. So while adding like terms, we only add their coefficients while the variable part remains same. That is, we will add these coefficients 5 plus 2 as 7 while this variable part remains same. We can think of x as an apple. So if someone says add 5 apples to 2 apples, then it's a common sense that we will get total 7 apples. So now, can we add unlike terms? These two terms 3x and 4y are unlike terms because they have different variables. So we cannot add unlike terms. We cannot further simplify this algebraic expression. We can think of it as, if we suppose x as an apple and y as a mango, then it does not make sense to say that 3 apples and 4 mangoes makes 7 mango apple. So it is one way of thinking of why we cannot add unlike terms. Now, how to simplify this algebraic expression using addition? Since these two terms 3x square and 7x square are like terms while the 5x is a different term, so we will add only these two terms 3x square and 7x square, while the next term 5x will stay same. That is, and how we will add them? We will add only coefficients. 3 and 7 are 10, while the variable part will stay same, and the term that is unlike will also stay same. So this algebraic expression is simplified. Now it cannot be simplified further because these two terms are unlike terms. Now let's have another example. First we try to figure out the like terms. 7x, 4x, 3x and 2x are like terms. First we will regroup these terms together. That is 7x, 4x, 3x and 2x, and remaining terms, and we will separate the remaining terms, that is 9y and 2y. 9y and minus 2y. Note that these terms are all like terms and these two terms are also like terms. So we will add the term we have having variable x. 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 minus 2 is 12x. Now we will add these two like terms, add or subtract. 9 minus 2 is 7y. Since 9 is a greater number, so we will use symbol plus. This is how we can add or subtract like terms in an expression.